Onyimni spokesperson yire. Ewo kroma.
Former president.
Yes, kroma.
In this republic.
Onyimni spokesperson yire.
Ni spokesperson yire.
Yes, onyimno. Ewo kroma. Adia courtwa. Court de ye ngo bi aduo. Me kasa mahama nyimni edi yire. Agipia wa ba Ghana abakosemu a one. Wo ye corrupt. On sane yusuna adwene na adwene wo fam aye tete yehunu agi before amaba nyina ne na adwene wo fam on yusuna adwene no ye corrupt aye tete yehunu
misdemeanor person in this car we are the new party is a criminal.
You're a man or your bema, so for my 100, I don't have a problem. You know what I have problem is when he's not running the country as it should go. Bring a half of that should be what you should be thinking about. Since we go MPP gradually no, I want losing the wrong half seat now. Are you a mad person to whom Jimmy won't do? So you're talking about this which cannot be that. You're a mama, I could pop or baby in the sports person. What does it concern me? Hello, baby. I'll be having check and send my high Xposed GH. The name is Ben Bruce. But just subscribe me to my name was Akabi. Abronye DC. I a friend Kwame Bafu said dear Banfu said dear Ben dear pay. Was so a lawyer. Me maybe question a lord if he you see Obia will quine. But be careful what you say. And then Rana catch it up with him. Na originate wase wono ani ono o kai ono no kwa ya Kennedy no Kennedy bisinyame be dia ma wate ayen ko ye hwe Abronye ya chi na ye na ko wura ka bi mu enkom na
misdemeanor person in this car we are the new is a criminal. One day we see a criminal. More people is misdemeanor case.
Let me say something.
Misdemeanor case.
Let me say something.
Is that how to behave?
Is that
how to behave? You see? Because of misdemeanor. This is the nonsense we are seeing in this country.
There is a clear
That's why we drop even a felony misdemeanor. That's why we drop.
Look, there is a clear by this government.
When did insult become a crime in this country? When did insult become
people in this country? But it will never happen.
When did insult become a crime in this country?
Yes.
When?
Somebody
should tell us.
They want to guard
when did insult become a crime in this country? That you are treating somebody like this because of misdemeanor. What is all this?
Tactics no more use. Ibrahim Mahama, your president Mahama, we are calling for good in your massage. So they are just trying to delay the whole tactic.
So when you are going to say make us say you should be mindful of certain things. And we are say there be a make us say you'll be a reputation. You know, say that make no trimo. Building it take a lot of time. But with the 1 second, everything will destroy your reputation in life. And until a loss or defamation, I said we would defame you be a young found one child. Or maybe say I don't know yachi Abronye. Oko kan sem mi ameti ye na me hometi Kennedy de ne say enya hwe oko kan sem ti ya o man pani otesui mi am president ye kwoti asem na eye asefem na ba onni ti ya kyer ye nkom
na ye ba ye hu fi o ye ba ye hu fi ye ti krama ana former president bi onyem ni spokesperson yire e wo kroma.
Former president.
Yes, kroma.
In this republic.
Onyem ni spokesperson yire.
Ni spokesperson yire.
Yes, onyem no. Ewo kroma.
Ewo Ghana.
And mama na yes sir.
Oh, are you serious about this?
Master, I'm telling you, say ni spokesperson yire.
The spokesperson, baby. The spokesperson Ben.
And some be or ha.
The spokesperson Ben.
Massa, Pogchem, and maybe from 20.
Because when you say John Jinapa is the spokesperson, Ben Duche Mala is the spokesperson,
and you
Mahama Yarga is the spokesperson,
and your Mahama Yarga.
Neha,
Madam, and I mentioned Maji, Mama Yarga, do Chefri.
Aka John Jinapo.
Madam, and I say, John Mahama, the spokesperson here, on you know
what dance he did.
Oh, Massa, more than just a member see your men for a metro.
No, okay, what dance
I may catch away. What from and I'm so much here by that here. Some when I and some hole.
Your flow will bring him up.
What family? Or family? I will bring him up. To so.
On found cocoa.
Roman. And this gurus mean you know, Madam Cocoto, as he said. Massa, I want them to cocoa to ya. But there are some cocoa to court to the normal for 3 patcho. May say, some was your son on which that platform soon about me, Praco, about me, Praco. Bomia, on any sports person be a year and Kodayo. Bomia, on any sports person, European Concordayo. Bomia, and him the Eddie be a year. But Mobuni Panama the neighbor. On one him the sports person here. Our piano within the NDC. Or piano within the NDC. Or we are not with the deputy minister compensating. Yes, the deputy minister compensating.
A compensating spokesperson.
Yes. So what you want to say about Mahama cannot move. Some back can question some Groma. And some ever catch and on to me move. Some 2 months yakan. That will be ready. A crowd man be an white granny Cassanyane. Gradually be our by a sunny Nisu Bema and then Nisu communicator. Ebini and Dissimo. Wow, politics that small boy, 30 years old. Oh, Sabom Yavi Proco. Mamma now would your campaign man on your descent you. Ni Ed, ni sport person, you on Yemino, our chroma. On Yemino, what's that platform swap? One can't or on kind on count. Talk about Yavi Proco. Bomia dear, Proco on me, and an Ed the beer who are one Yemini hero. By Mahama Yemini Ed the hero.
I see. Chairman,
what's it?
It's Akola Kuna way. Akola,
said there were one woman.
I want to back a court to.
I dear court to the young war beyond to make Casa Mahama Yimini Eddie. Make cut your neck.
My bonny age exposed.
I give you our power Ghana about one where you're corrupt. On Sunday, you soon have been not been from Yehono. I did before my banana, near not been from on you soon have been no you're corrupt. I ate it Yehono. Mommy say, Okasa Kotia by election. Obia by to trust him piano or Batino Meboa. Yate, and Nay Sankame, my brother, and I'm a say. NDC MPB send come to na can conference on back by election I have for near for come I tete you no kwasi ampanyin no ko betimi ana woncheme ya biso mo atefo na wonjeki se me ana me koka se NDC MPB se come to no ba bi ogina na can constituency ya be ko by election Enka tete ye onu kwasi ampanyini no ko obetimi ana oncheme mumisano enne NDC second vice chairman odwan no etimi kase senko kwakoto afenyo makena enka ye be ye by election wo afitu constituency still ogusu ne namakotia ho NDC communication officer akwatia ono abie na no akase se ampasa nkom kwato afenyo makena nkom ba ye by election e wo fitu constituency tese kombe kunu besine ebeti samre ya asem ni siye no Ghana Police Service and issue any statement minority leader of parliament. Na NDC for say senke kwakwa 29 nka another by election ebeba so wo akwatia. Ghana police enkasaye. Kurasini IGP nkasaye. Wayi nani because a good say ombeka che afenyo mark and say esese ye beto na ka by election ebekoso wo. Where IGP? But MPP ni ebiena no for insult kaka onka se obekum obi no muti no ko detain no 2 weeks Chima kokotumo but NDC second vice chairman eso obekum minority leader ama by election abayrai aba efutu but see up till now the Ghana Police Service entimin kasaye ogusuni na makwatia honom wafano wadi because strategic meeting bia and this year ewa akwatia no Inspector General of Police na otimbi enuntina NDC second vice chairman entimin nya kukudro say senko hu otro minority leader no ewa police station bia Ghana yenye ready say ye be by election ewa kwatia ewa efutu and you call yourself a disgraced Inspector General of Police since independent, the most disgraced Inspector General of Police since independent. Aye tete yehonu on some fatase bakaso ye Inspector General of Police. So friend constable kura na ni post no one man be tete yehonu so hia no ne se constable kura wo de mana no one man be because a constable kura na enko NDC strategic meeting a police constable enko NDC strategic meeting enko tenase because aduma no wom no or respect it and Inspector General or ye corrupt no ye power drunk and a bekwa NDC strategic meeting mu no ma planning how one back shania ma kopense sitting adding and yes shani say ya kokodru and pempenso say ya yebetimanya where IGP.
You know me. I mean, what is happening in this country? What is happening currently? We are all not safe in this country. What the wheels of justice is penetrating towards other people. When it is NDC members, we know that they won't touch anybody. You have the likes of Ralph, who went to Rich Hospital to beat a whole nest. He's working freely. Chairman at Sofo Azoka threatened to kill the minority leader. He's working freely. Now you've reminded him on Friday that he should appear back on Friday. I am only updating the lawyer that they said that chairman should come back on Friday. You're telling me not to send message to the lawyer. How is that? How is that possible? Are you able to tell us the offenses that he's been? He's seen the lawyer will come out and definitely will update the media. But what I'm trying to say is that the likes of Kevin Taylor and other people are working freely. They insulted the whole Otunfu and other people. And then when it's Chairman Abronye, look at the car they came in with. Look at that Black Maria that they came in with, Chairman Abronye. I mean, what is happening in this country? And that nobody can talk about it. Nobody can talk about it in this country. What is happening?
I obijina chawa say I da see achina pa see acheno. Hwe ewiase aye we wo ho. Edinsaye eye ya. Edinsaye eye ya. Da bia me ka se asem na wo ka no ese wonya niama 5 o chirim. Number 1, are you being fair to the person? Asem na me ka no is it fair to the person? Ma hwe ne baby o general me se baby me de me wo share ni shoes no asem na me ka na esa me ka na. That's the first one. So we don't share shoes now say kwase asem a wo ka ye enye se wo ka jaika. Number 2, is it beneficial to society? Asema ef Abronye ekan say ampo enyampo me ebrem sika ye radio mahama me president or private life say am more private life no my private life is my private life. You radio mahama or your bema so could my 100 I don't have a problem. Do you know what I have problem is when he's not running the country as it should go. But you radio mama could dig any news because you know we do it. So how much more the president of Ghana? Could you imagine the president of Ghana telling you, say, give me your number? I will sick here. Clinton, what Bobby or White House? Yeah, sure, but say and private life. I didn't and say, yeah, the private life. Who said? And I'm being consistent. Time me now, your friend say, a kufuado. Okofa, say, what Abronye, say, why, sabe. Yeah, says you are in it play mono. And the private life, you look for your president then, or bet you demand. What's wrong with it? What is wrong? Why wish me? Unima. What's up for now? Wish me? Unima. Umake. What's your samqua? Now, Abronye, who Casawan, Teso Bebe, which now, I mean, this man, I don't know. He's not even fit to be called a man. Because I didn't know here, no people are not seeing that say okay to Wakane. What are you talking about? Okay, Wakane. Wouldn't Obi can same way for one? Would you be happy? Share Ghana, yan she na ya men kofo bi enjan kwasia someone who didn't kwasia someone kika or me bebo. What makes you so yeah statement? The other thing to that you have to know when you are talking is evidence is the name of the game. Some many obi akodam na mene na da nipa ne be ka na me catch nipa say prove it difficult to prove unless you do one na so should do video of me and no crime is still against the law met me actually what because someone be come video catch me someone be come video me here program obi twa mo machia e say me catch nipa say massa what bam video mo are you okay? Your real friend image rights. It is a Bible say when Jimmy Brutal because what will be oh party no baby now we are chairman no they've lost all the seats. Bring a half no that should be what you should be thinking about. Since we call MPP gradually no almost lose the wrong half seat now are you a mad person to whom Jimmy won't do so you're talking about things which are not even yeah, radio mama, I could Bob or baby, the spokesperson here. What does it concern me? Even if it's true, if I'm not saying, when they see that, I don't go phone the or being said in Miane, what's wrong with it? Bible, Papa, lots, Nema, or much in a born, Unima may catch them. Men forward so, but Jimmy be what I say so. And then I'm running now. We're put here. Abronye also with Jimmy Sahama and before next Prono. Because people are not even looking for him. And we are say sometimes money pen say, hey, now some messy based on Usubai. And man, and you say, Yachino. Now it's a yes, and then most Abronye said, who here man be out because when we say MPP. Now only be Kennedy Japan. What do second in that second? Me say Kennedy style. And to walk as a Kennedy no. Hey, I expose the HFM Bruce so I share. Many two manners I can be man.